The surgeon cuts at night. I'm gonna cut you, Steve. I'm gonna cut you right.
Actually, I think I've changed my mind.
They always get cold feet. And I always cut them off.
Oh my God, I'm so tall. It's gonna take some getting used to.
Look out, Steve! I made things worse for you! Hold on, son. I can climb up. Someone taught me how.
Dad, get it together!
Coming!
You're here!
Of course I am. It's what dads do.
Even when their kid's a stupid shorty?
Steve, there's something I have to show you.
The fuzz! Time to see if your wings work, Billy! Run, Billy!
McManahan Industries. There's no Tasha here, pal. Oh, you mean Tasha Flunchen, supermodel and international party girl. This is she. Burko, best agent in the biz. What you got for me? Runway work? Victoria's Secret? Don't lie to me. Am I the new face of Grape Nuts?
Actually, Tasha, I called to wish you a happy 28th birthday.
You are sweet as candy.
And to let you know that we're dropping you.
Eat shit and die, Burko.
I'm sorry, baby. You're 28. The camera doesn't love you anymore. It's your time to shine, Nadia. That was my lasagna, bro. I cooked it for the Langley Falls lasagna competition.
It's really good. You probably would have won. So, where are you from?
The CIA.
Huh, small world. I work there. And, how long have you and Steve been friends?
My whole life. 3 days.
3 days? That means you were born on the 30th. You have the same birthday as Selena Gomez. That lucky duck. She has a belly button ring. You should so get one of those.
I can't. I don't have a belly button.
Now I get it. Excuse me, I must use my wireless telephone right now.
This is the voicemail box of Stephen Anita Smith. I'm gonna need to call you back.
Steve, I know you cloned these girls. If the CIA finds out, I'll lose my job. Now I gotta unclone them. Unclone means kill. Whoops. Unclone means kill. Honey!
Stan!
Don't judge me. It was just a clone. See? Doesn't even feel pain.
All right, American Dadders. Earlier in the episode, Francine made a reference to poet Francois Lemartel de Bois-Robert. What country did he hail from? The answer is Spain. Keep up your learning, America. Now, Stephen Snott, take it away!